Hi, Joanne. Today we're going to do goal number 1, which is English language arts and reading. And it's the same thing from last week. We're going to do the adverbs and answer some questions or rewrite some sentences. So I'm going to turn to the first page. So I'm going to give you a few seconds so you can go into your packet, the one that you have, and look for the one that we're going to work on. So these are just the adverbs that I gave you last time, just examples. Adverbs describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. What, where, how, and how often. Remember when like after, yesterday, now. Where, inside, outside, here. How, quickly, slowly, sadly. And how often, always, sometimes, never. Many adverbs end in ly. Adverbs can come before or after a verb. She quickly walked to the store. She walked to the store quickly. So here are some examples of adverbs on the how often, when, and where. So you can use this as notes to complete your sentences. Okay, go ahead and look for this worksheet in your paperwork, and this is a worksheet you're going to work on. Remember, the first question is, the mouse quickly got the cheese. So look for this worksheet, and there are 5 questions that you're going to rewrite. Once you're finished, you take a picture, send it to me, or upload it to Teams. Here's an example. She swiftly walked to the store. You rewrite it. She walked to the store swiftly. Okay? So your second objective is also English language arts and reading. So let's go to the first worksheet. Similar to what you had last week, you're going to fill in the blank and you're going to rewrite the verb in the past tense. So here are some examples like wake, woke, now, knew. Also, once you finish with these, you can take a picture and upload them to Teams or send them to me and I can upload them for you. If you have any questions, call me and I can help you. Thank you.